Hey guys, today I've got a Maytag dryer. It's about 2 years old, still in like new condition, and I wanted to show you real quick that it does in fact work perfectly. So I'll give you a look at the controls. Very clean, very sharp. It's the Super Capacity Plus. It's the biggest size they make for this model. Nice clean on the inside. So we'll go ahead and just set this. It's on auto dry right now, so I believe it's got 12 cycles, which is kind of the combination of all these things here. But we'll put it on high, and it even has the end of cycle signal too. Just hit go here. Sounds great, perfect, smooth operation. I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating as well, like it's supposed to. Got my little surface temperature gun here, and those two dots right in between, it's going to take a heat measurement. So it's about 75 degrees on the surface of this dryer. What we'll do, we'll open this up and take a measurement for you right here on the inside. So that's the heating element tube, and so the heat's going to come directly out of this tube, and that in turn heats up the inside of your dryer. Anywhere from about 95 to 195 degrees, that's what gets your clothes dry. Just kind of depends on what you put the heat setting at, but as you can see there, plenty of heat coming out of there. It's working perfectly, and it doesn't really matter what you set it on up here, but you can set that, and if you got delicates or something that you need to dry that can't get too hot, it's got all kinds of settings on here. Then your lint trap is right here. That just pulls out, and you pull the lint out right from there. So, kind of the purpose of this video is just so that you can see everything works perfectly before you buy it, and then when you take it home, plug it in, you know you're good to go. That's how I like to shop, so that's how I like to sell my items. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks, and you guys have a great day.